5. My other two fingers can be up. 7 home remedies for hiccups. Like because it's graininess could slightly irritate the esophagus, causing the phrenic nerve to reset themselves. Yeah. So basically, whatever causes hiccup, if it's irritated, it will like malfunction it so that it would stop. Second one is drink a glass of cold water. I know this one. I can really pin myself and say yes, this one works. Like no, but this one will work. Like the other day I had a hiccup and I tried like I try, I try. I don't know what else I tried, but I just drink a glass of water. Immediately it stops. So it's a drink a glass of cold water. Quickly drink a glass of cold water, and the hiccup will go away immediately. That is something that is so true. Third is apple cider vinegar. Not only for your hair to make it squeaky clean and to restore your pH balance, but one of the primary causes of hiccup is low stomach acid level. The level there again. Drinking a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, which is diluted in a glass of warm water, can help to restore stomach acid level. Maintaining normal stomach acid levels can help about uh, hiccups. So there you go, some science in that. The fourth one is peanut butter. I better love peanut butter. Like we don't love peanut butter. Like unless you're allergic, peanut butter is so awesome. Consuming gooey textured peanut butter can distinctly change our, our natural breathing pattern. The sudden alteration into breathing pattern can startle system and stop hiccup. It's kind of malfunction the hiccup system, so it kind of like stops the hiccup. Yes. 5. Honey. The natural sweetness of the honey stimulates the vagus nerves and effectively stops the hiccups fit. So honey isn't good just for humectant for your hair conditioner. It is also good for hiccups. So next we have a hiccup, get a spoonful of honey or peanut butter and you're good to go. The next one is have someone frighten you. Like I don't know, they say this is what people must do in babies because babies aren't going to be aware that someone's going to frighten them, so they aren't prepared. So have someone frightening you, and it was like shake the hiccup out of it, like get it out of you so fast. The last one, put a cross on your forehead using water or your saliva. This one I from my generation, like so back, like my mom's generation. That's what they do for the babies to adults. Just put some water, make a cross, with some water or your saliva on your head, and it goes away. I'm pledging to that. It goes away. Some causes of hiccups is eating too much, eating too quickly, eating or drinking too much, stroke, brain tumors, noxicus, fumes, abdominal surgery. So I think for me, it's eating or drinking too quickly or eating or drinking too much. So that's it, guys. If you enjoyed it, give me subscribe and comment and